Hello everyone. Today I am here with a very interesting activity to be done for the summer holidays. For that you require some color papers, green and white, some poster paint, pencil eraser, brush and water, jute rope or any thread what you have, some twigs which kids can collect as an activity from the garden or whatever trees you have nearby, marker, white marker and Fevicol. So let's get started. First we will start by drawing a bird. Here I am drawing a toucan. First I'll draw with a pencil and then I am going to outline with a black marker. See the drawing carefully and you can help kids in drawing it nicely step by step. Now I'm going to paint the toucan. Though the colors of original toucan is bit different, but kids can experiment with different color combination. But to give it a look and feel of toucan, the last layer we are going to paint by black so that it looks more like toucan though the colors are different. Let's write cut it out. Now draw flowers over the white sheet. Here I am drawing frangipani flowers, that is why I have chosen white sheet, and draw some leaves on the green sheet and cut them out. Frangipani flowers have some yellow shade, so here I am shading yellow with little paint and white in the center to give it a more natural look. See, here the flowers are ready and all my leaves are ready. I am just making some white veins using white marker. If you don't have a white marker, you can use white crayons or white paint with brush. Now here tie the twigs in a triangle shape and stick all the cutouts, that is of the bird and the flower and the leaves, around like this so that it looks like a stand over which a bird is sitting. Arrange the flowers and leaves so that it covers the twigs as much as possible, but leave some of the twig part open so that the shape is visible. And here our natural tropical hanging is ready. You just need to tie a rope. Artsy craftsy activities are a very interesting way to engage kids creatively. They are not only interesting but very educative. So if you like our activities, do follow, like, share and subscribe and discover the joy of creating.